Hey guys, what's going on? Jonah Fox here, and I'm back today with another harmonica riff lesson. This one sounds like this. A 1, 2, 3. All right, that's what we're going to play today. So if you are ready to do this, grab your C harmonica and let's go start with the video. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. If you're new here, consider subscribing. It helps me out, and you also get notified when I upload new videos. It's totally free. Just click the subscribe button. I did just recently pass 1,000 subscribers, and that is so exciting. So thank you everyone for all of your support. If you haven't checked it out, I want to let you know about my course, the Harmonica Accelerator. Inside, I teach you a daily 5-step process that both beginner and intermediate players can follow to improve your harmonica playing every single day. It's all about consistency and developing the right practices, and I will teach you how to go through these things step by step. It's totally for free. You can find the access link down below in the video description. All right, it's time to go learn this riff. Again, I am using a C harmonica. I'm playing in second position using the major pentatonic scale mostly. And the major pentatonic scale, if you're not in the know, sounds like this. And so we are going to play using that scale in general. Now that scale does involve a 3 whole step draw bend, but really you can substitute that for this riff and just not play the draw bend at all. It's totally fine. We're going to be thinking about this in 2 parts. The first part sounds like this. Okay? So we start off with 2 draw, 3 whole step draw bend, and you bring that immediately up to a 3 draw. I like to think of this as a scoop. Okay, so that going from that pre-bend to just the draw is I usually think of like as the scoop. It's usually done as like a little bit of a ornamental flair, and if you can't bend, really don't worry about it. Just go right up to the 3 draw. Okay, and then the next note is 4 draw, or okay, so we're going up to the 4, and then we go to 5 blow and 5 draw. So I'm going to play that pattern nice and slow so you can try it along with me, and then we're going to learn the second half. All right, so here we go. 1, 2, 3. Here we go again. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's go try working on the second half of this riff. Here's how you put it together. So we start with this triplet pattern that sounds like this. And then we go down back to the 2 draw. So let's go play the first triplet. It starts with 4 draw, 5 blow, 5 draw. And you repeat that twice. Okay, so that's the first part. And then you connect it with the second part, which goes 4 draw. And if you can do a little scoop up to that 4 draw. And then 4 blow. And then 3 scooping up to the 3 draw. So that's going from a whole step draw bend to a 3 draw. But again, if you can't bend, don't worry about that. And then 2 draw. So the first part of this second half of the phrase, in the second part. When you put the second half together, it sounds like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. So here's what we're going to do so you can work this riff out, because practice makes permanent, and if you want to actually remember this thing, you're going to want to get some reps in playing it over what I'm playing, and also over some music. So I'm going to be playing this acoustic. I'm going to be nice and slow, count you in, and you can try this with me. And then we're going to do like kind of a faster version. We're going to do each version twice. And then after that, I'm going to be putting on a blues backing track so you can practice this riff with some musical context. So if you're ready, get your harmonica out, maybe pause the video and practice this for a minute before we start. And let's go try playing this together. All right, here we go, nice and slow. 1, 2, 3. Again, 1, 2, 3. That's it. Let's go try it at a faster speed. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Again, 1, 2, 3. All right, that's it for the acoustic versions of this that you can play along to. Now let's go jump over to a backing track and you can get some practice playing this in the context of a 12-bar blues. Check it out. Here we go. We are going to solo along with this track, and I'm going to count you in here, and we're going to come in on B4. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Just like that, and you can use these rest spots to do a little bit more soloing. Here we go. 2, 3. Same thing, use these breaks to do a little bit of improv using the major minor pentatonic scale. Here we go. Maybe end on the octave on the high G. One more time. Here we go. Again, 2, 3. So you can go play like that. I'm going to leave the backing track playing for those who want to practice this a little bit on your own. You would come in right about now. Good luck with this. Thanks for watching, guys. Again, if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing so YouTube will let you know when I release new videos. It's totally free. You just hit the subscribe button and the bell if you want to get notifications. Otherwise, I'll see you in next week's video. If you want to take this kind of blues riff stuff a little bit deeper, go check out this video up here where I'll teach you a couple more riffs you can add to your arsenal. All right, I'll catch you next week.